wasn't even recording. Oh, okay. I was.
All the way from Norte Jere, Otihinoa. All the way from Fresno, California. Norte Jere, Otihinoa.
Alright, here you go.
We've been trying to contact you regarding your car's extended warranty.
People, alright, ready. Keep going, keep going.
I'm gonna bring my recorder.
Hey! Keep going, keep going, keep going, keep going. Just keep going, yeah.